10-kilometer I'm talking about is between the lithium showing in that property as well as where we are. Now, on the other side, it also connects towards the Tebişkoşe pegmatite group cluster. So there's another 7 kilometers that is known that has the best potential in between. So we're looking at literally 3 times of what we have as it currently stands.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. Joining me now is Krem Yusumez. He's the CEO of Volta Metals. And Krem, good to see you again. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you, Steve. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, well, the company out with pretty significant news today, very strategic news about acquiring a lithium property called Zigzag. So tell me a little bit about this one and more importantly, strategically, why it's so important.
Yeah, no, thank you. It is, first of all, it's contiguous to our existing, discovery story that's Falcon West, that we started the company with a small outcrop discovery, and then it grew from there with 6 pegmatites in a very short amount of time. This is not only on strike, but it's in the middle of 2 systems that are coming into play here. It is a long strike, as I mentioned, but it's twice as big and as long as what we already have. And there is one showing in the middle, in the center of it. So there will be a lot more discoveries in that claim block, as well as what we already have. So this story becomes 3 times better.
Yeah. So you mentioned the strike, over 10 kilometers of strike length. So there's a lot here. Was there any data that you had previous that you could sort of look at and say, this is why we had to have this within the company?
Absolutely. That's a great question. That's where we started. Our technical advisor, Dr. Fred Breaks, who has worked in the area, who has, all the lithium knowledge in Ontario and Canada, he actually was the first one that, pointing out the potentials here as we discussed. The 10-kilometer I'm talking about is between the lithium showing in that property as well as where we are. Now, on the other side, it also connects towards the Tebişkoşe pegmatite group cluster. So there's another 7 kilometers that is known that has the best potential in between. So we're looking at literally 3 times of what we have as it currently stands.
So, Krem, how do you tackle something like this? As you mentioned, there's a lot of things. I'm sure you'd like to look at every square inch of it, and you probably will eventually. But how do you sort of tackle the immediate part of this?
Yeah, the immediate part of it is we're going to go after the existing pegmatite that's known with high grade and very homogeneous, big, large crystals of spodumene. We're going to go after that as we did previously. Now, the contacts are not exposed on surface, so it is going to be, we're hoping it's going to be larger than what is out there at the moment. While we're doing that, we're going to do some geophysics to identify where else to target initially to get the low-hanging fruit, which will give us also more information where to go as we understand more of the fracturation and some more other geological features that would point us which direction to go. But so far we know where to go. So far there's the best part also is about this project that it is permitted. And so that's going to allow us to do the good work.
Good stuff. Well, we look forward to following the story for sure. Krem, thanks so much. Good to see you again.
Likewise. Thanks so much for having me.
All right, Krem Yusumez, the CEO of Volta Metals.